turning. Don't let them stop. Can you turn night into day? You can do it. Have a play. Let me know when you're ready to start the game. Level 1. Clock. The face of a clock is a big circle. The numbers 1 to 12 are written around the outside, with the number 12 at the top, then 1, 2, 3, and so on, clockwise around the face. Now look at the pointers. They're called hands. The short hand is the hour hand. It travels around the face every 12 hours. To read the hour, look where the hour hand is pointing. Let's start by telling the o'clock time. When it's an o'clock time, the long minute hand always reaches straight up to 12. This is 4 o'clock. Remember, the long minute hand always reaches straight up. But where is the hour hand? That's it. It's pointing to 4. So it is 4 o'clock. And this is 6 o'clock. Got it? Your turn. Move the hour hand to 2 o'clock. Remarkable! Move the hour hand, 8 o'clock. Stupendous! Let's see if you can do it. Move the hour hand, 10 o'clock. Great! Move the hour hand, 11 o'clock. Ready to try by yourself? Move the hour hand, 3 o'clock. Good job! Move the hour hand, 9 o'clock. Fantastic! Boosted synaptogenesis. Level 2, half past. Can you see half of the clock is colored in? The minute hand has traveled halfway round the clock and now points down. That's it. Halfway around the clock. The hour hand is halfway past the hour of 4. So it is 4:30. Now your turn. Show me 2:30. Now try 2:30. Let's start with 1 o'clock. Now try 1:30. Spot on! Let's check if you've got it. Let's start with 12 o'clock. Now try 12:30. Let's start with 5 o'clock. Now try 5:30. Brilliant! Ready to try by yourself? Let's start at 7 o'clock. Now try 7:30. Outstanding! Let's start 4 o'clock. Now try 4:30. Very good! Boosted synaptogenesis. Party time. Level 3. Quarter past. Can you see a quarter of the clock is colored in? The minute hand has traveled a quarter of the way around the clock, and the hour hand has just passed the 4. So it is 4:15. Now your turn. Show me 8:15. Now try 8:15. You did it! Let's start 6 o'clock. Now try 6:15. Way to go! Let's see if you can do it. Let's start 8 o'clock. Now try 8:15. That's it! Let's start 5 o'clock. Now try 5:15. Marvelous! Ready to try by yourself? Let's start 9 o'clock. Now try 9:15. Perfect! Let's start 1 o'clock. Now try 1:15. Wonderful! Boosted synaptogenesis. Level 4. 1:45. What time does the clock say now? This is trickier. Can you see the part colored in? This is a quarter of the clock. This shows a quarter to the next hour. Look at the hour hand. It is past the 4 and close to the 5. Since there is only 1/4 of the clock's face left to the next hour, we say 1/4 to 5. Notice that we are counting up to the next hour. Ready? Show me 7:45. Now try 7:45. try 7:15. You did it! Let's check if you've got it. Let's start at 10 o'clock. Now try 11:15. Fantastic! Let's start 12 o'clock. Now try 1:45. Great! Ready to try by yourself? Let's start 2 o'clock. Now try 2:45. Sure. Let's start 3 o'clock. Now try 4:45.